So, what did you do this week?
Oh, what didn't I do this week? We got to do all kinds of cool things. I got to deliver 10 hot topics every IT administrator needs to know with our good friend Chris Henley. Rock the house. I think last time I checked, we were top 3 session of all of Tech Ed.
You're kidding.
Yeah, so we had a lot of fun in talking about all the cool stuff.
So you were clicking around.
But, I took some training. We said, what's the point? Why do we show you this stuff? Save admins time. And that's one of the great things about Tech Ed. We've been talking to a lot of people how technology can save them time.
Yeah, we just did some video shoots this week that were really a lot of fun. So Bytes by TechNet, you'll see videos up on technet.microsoft.com. We talked to Stephen Rose, a bunch of MVPs like Justin Rodino, Chris Jackson, the app impact guy. You interviewed Kai and a bunch of other people.
Jeremy Moskowitz, group policy guy, and then if the stars align, we're going to talk to some folks here for the New Orleans Hornets. Talk about how the NBA team uses IT technology. And no, they cannot have LeBron. LeBron staying in Cleveland. Okay.
I knew we were going to get that in there.
We had to sneak that in there, right?
Yeah. So I talked with a lot of IT pros at the TechNet booth as well as the Wiki booth that we have about how they use Microsoft sites and services.
Yep.
How do they troubleshoot and find resources? And I learned a lot. We have some work to do. Most of the work that I have to do is still educating the masses on what we've actually already done.
So what were they getting excited about? I mean, what was the kind of the buzz around the conference for the IT piece? The people you run into?
Well, I think everybody's really buzzing about Windows 7, Office 2010, how to get it deployed, all of that. So they're here to learn. And then, of course, we've got other products like SharePoint and other cool products like that. So I think people came here to learn about the products, the benefits, and really what are the tips and tricks to get those deployed in their infrastructure.
Yeah, and one of the things that I got to see a lot of was Service Pack 1 coming at the end of July for R2 in 2007. Got to really talk. It's going to be beta. Yeah, it's not going to actually be full bits yet. The public beta is going to be end at July, and hopefully our TechNet subscribers are out there. We might get it a few days earlier. But we don't know yet, so we'll hope it's there. But they talked about 2 great things with dynamic memory and remote FX, some great technologies. Once again,
wait a second. So we can play like Doom on.
Oh yeah, now you can play Doom and those types of games graphically and over top of it.
Like Doom is like the 1980s version of character-based games.
But kind of going back to a world of potential
Call of Duty.
clients. Yeah, Call of Duty. Yeah. Well, actually, none of those games will be officially supported. I'm pretty sure Halo will.
Yeah, all of the CAD engineering applications will work well with that.
Yeah, that'll be interesting to see also how that's going to work. Because you look at those CAD CAM, those are the click types of machines. They're the $12,000, zillion gigs of RAM.
Yeah, let's talk about that click ThinkPad that you have.
Oh, my W510. We can talk about that another time because nobody wants to hear about my quad core 16 gig of RAM solid state drive.
And mine is now on order.
I'm glad you're finally caught up to the 20th century there, Mr.
Who evaluated that so you could actually get that?
Point. My mom.
What's your point?
What's your point? Well, as you can see, we're having a lot of fun down here in New Orleans, and this is Matt Click Hester.
Keith. Point Combs.
Signing out.
And it's Combs.
And we are and we got new shirts. We got new shirts.
Hey.
We got that shirts?
IT Investigators.